Okay, so Larry had a question about finding the width of the face compared to the length of the face, and I'm going to try to describe it in this way. So we have our portrait here, 3/4 pose, and let's go to this point right here on her cheek, come straight across to where the ear meets the jawline, and I try to keep it pretty close to or right on the head tilt, and then so that's our width of the face. That's the measurement of how wide her face is in this current pose. So now I'm going to rotate that around and compare it to the length of the face. So now I copied the same length, and now I'm going to rotate it around. I'm going to bring it over. So here we have pretty close to the bottom of the chin here, and it comes up to right here on the forehead. So it gives you a really good idea about the width of the face compared to the length. So it's just above the eyebrows. So this is like a quick and dirty way to judge the width compared to the length of the face. Okay, so here's the real life kind of application. So I set my camera up, it's pointed at the TV, trying to replicate having a live model in front of me, and finding that width of the face using my pencil and thumb. So I'll come up here and I'll keep my elbow locked, because I'm gonna take a measurement like this and then turn it around. And sometimes when your elbow is relaxed, you'll turn it and bring it in too much, and it'll change the relationship between those two measurements. Okay, so now we're gonna find the width of the face. The point of the pencil will be on that far side cheek, and then I'll bring my thumb up until I find where the ear meets the jaw. And once I do those 2 points, I'll rotate and compare it to the bottom of the chin, right above my thumb, see where it lands on the forehead. So it's just above the eyebrow. So that's what I mean by comparing the width to the length of the face. So I hope that helps, and let me know if you have any other questions, and I'll try to make little videos like this, because I think visually it's a lot better than probably, I don't know, we'll see. It's experimental, so let's see if this is a better way to describe things than typing them out. I don't know. I just wanted to try that. So thanks, Larry, for the question. It's actually a really good one, and I'll try to go over that in more detail in future videos. So thank you very much. Have a great day.